Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arnold Enriquez, a portrait artist. Okay, so ito po yung ginagawa ko ngayon is a commission painting. So actually hindi ko po pinakita dito yung paano ko na-start tong gawin. Okay, so actually nasira po yung isang video ko po. So yung from the very beginning. So ito lang po yung natira. Okay, so actually ito po yung final retouch ko po ito. So now nakita ko niyo po yung references, base sa references at saka yung gawa. Okay, so made of oil painting on canvas. Okay, so pina-highlight ko lang po yung yung skin tone. Okay, so yung actually talagang pinag-aralan talaga dito yung skin tone, maraming combination of colors. So actually yung ginagamit ko lang po dito yung primary color, and then at the same time with other colors combinations, okay, which is crimson red, and yellow ochre, then lamb black at the same time, and orange. Okay, so from primary to secondary color. So now dito po, so as a viewers, maobserbahan nyo po yung paano ginagawa yung skin tone. So kailangan po i-obserbahan po talaga natin, experiment natin yung mga pintura, imimix natin para malalabas yung base sa references. Okay, so dito pag-aaralan po talaga. So I'm still learning about the skin tone as a portrait artist. Actually iba-iba po ang mga yung style ng mga artists. There were times iba-ibang mga mixture nila, style nila, paano nila i-apply. So dito sa oil on canvas painting, as I experience, so dito talagang hindi lang po isang coating ang dapat i-apply. Kailangan pwede hanggang third coating para ang pintura hindi lang siya kakapal. Kumbaga yung color na dapat i-apply, so mananatili. Kasi kung first coating lang, nababago pa po siya, napupukla pa po, putlain pa. So kailangan mga second coating hanggang third coating. So makikita nyo na po yung quality, yung desired color na lalabas. Okay, so dito napakagandang itong reference na ginagaya ko. So napakaliwanag ng picture niya. So ayun, so dito makikita yung mga wrinkles niya, and at the same time yung realism ng fair complexion ng skin. Okay, so napakaganda. So nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga nanonood this video. Okay, so more videos pa darating about tutorial. So next time, from the very beginning, ipapakita ko po kung paano po ginagawa yung isang portrait, ano man medium mo po of paintings. Okay, so thank you so much po for watching, and please do subscribe and share. So maraming salamat po. God bless us all.